Hey guys, how's it going tonight? And hopefully my camera will sit up there. We're getting one hell of a storm in Canada, and I mean it's dropping probably 6 inches every hour and a half. I've been sitting on a tractor for probably close to 10 hours today. See if we can get this for you. We'll try here, guys. I don't know if we can or not, but we'll give it a go. I'll give you guys just how bad the roads are up here. I hope my wife does not see this this post, or I'm going to be in deep shit, because the roads are really bad. None of the roads have been plowed here at all. Not much, not the back roads anyways, main highways, but not the back roads. So tonight is a 4-wheel drive night. Get a shot here. It's not a very good night, guys. It's one of those nights where you should be at home, but no, I'm out and about. Oh well, it is what it is. Oh, look at these drifts. Oh, get through, baby. We're getting there. Trying to get this plow situated, but things aren't. Oh, there's a good drift. There's another good one. There's another couple of good ones. There's probably a good 4 to 8 inches on the roads. If you don't have a 4-wheel drive, good luck. Oh well, this is typical winter in Canada. This is not like we're used to. 90% of Canadians will hand you their coffee and say, hold this and watch this. That's about what it is. Turn off your stupid wipers. She is definitely not a nice night. I'm probably hitting the snow drifts probably a good, maybe a good 8 foot high in places. This is the road coming from my shop. We're going to take all the back roads, because right now the main highways are closed. So I had to come out to the shop and get a couple serial numbers. So I can call and order some parts for tomorrow. Yep. Oh, there's a good drift. Boom! There we go. Oh well. This isn't bad. I've been in worse. But no, I spent pretty much 10 hours on a tractor today. Started at probably 5 or 6 o'clock and made about 4 rounds. Just got finished, start back to back. Oh, look at the size of these babies. Whoa! Come on. I love driving in this shit. As long as you got a good 4-wheel drive and you just take it easy and you use your brain, you should never get stuck. Visibility is not too bad though. It's just ground drifting across and snowing like a bugger. Like I said, we're supposed to get snow all week. They're anywhere from 2 to 3 feet in the next couple of days. But that's alright, we'll take it. I call it pennies for pennies. And I'm sure Teddy79 will agree with me. He's probably having a lot of fun too. But you have to come out, Teddy79, because I got a new toy going on this truck. Oh well. Just because I can. And I traded. Close your eyes, nobody's coming. Next road. This one here was a bit of a bugger. What size of that drift? Pump right through it. Lots of fun. Typical Canadian winter. A lot of guys won't go out. This is what I call fun. Some guys like to go off-roading. I like to go snow-roading. The only disappointment of this whole night is I can see. I like a challenge where I can't see. Many of those, taking my son up north, a few of the hockey tournaments. I don't know how the hell I did it a few nights, but boom! Yeehaw! Like I said, I don't know how some nights I made it back, but I made her. You couldn't see 3 feet in front of you, and for a 2-hour drive, it took me almost 6. Coming from just south of Sudbury at a hockey tournament. And I tell you, it was a fun ride. I was driving a lot, but he had some weight behind you, but I hate to say it, but I kind of think, oh, now she's starting to get blustery here. Not too bad of a night. I like driving in this shit. A lot of fun. Look at the size of these. Boom. Lots of fun. Lots of fun. Not too bad right here in the bush line. But once you get past the bush line, you get those drifts running across. It's not too bad. For some odd reason, I can see better through the camera than I can see out my windshield. I see snow on the camera, I don't. But, oh well. It is what it is. Well, guys, if you like this video, I'm going up to a stop sign here, and I don't mind making a video on the back roads. I don't have to worry about cops and other people. But, anyways, I got to rock and roll here, guys. Look at the size of these drifts. It's a good thing I jacked this thing up. Some of them are probably a good 8 feet high. Lots of fun. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please comment. Look at the size of that drift. Ha! Look at the size of these drifts. That's awesome. Well, I've been waiting for this all year. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please comment, rate, and subscribe. We'll talk to you again. And if you're on the roads tonight, be safe. Cheers.